Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to Madam Yogis and everyone. So today we'll be going to do activity 2, which is to adapt and to enhance. So Adam, would you like to suggest me one English traditional teaching method that you know or you have ever experienced in your entire life?
Yeah, throughout my English learning journey, I think that most of the learning method that I have encountered is very outdated, Hayati, because back then in primary school, we used to learn through textbook most of the time, and there's no really fun activities. So by learning through traditional method like this, like textbook oriented, most of the time the student cannot learn English truly and more fluently because the activities is not really there.
Have you ever forced to remember like list of vocabulary before?
Not really, because like I said, most of the time the vocabulary is there in the textbook, and the teachers can really teach because when they are teaching using the textbook, they just say the word out loud, and then the student just hear and then just go like that. There's no and if there is activity, it's like hands-on activity like drill, quizzes, and most of the time, if you don't really interested in learning, you can answer the question.
Oh, okay. So I would like to suggest like a few language arts method that I personally think that it can make learning English more fun, engaging, and also memorable for students. So like I would like to suggest that teachers should integrate role playing when they want to introduce like a new vocabulary or like to teach grammar in their classroom. Just because like children, their natural instinct is to play, okay? And by giving them the role of a character, and then they can act out and use the language effectively in the play, I think it is more meaningful in that sense. Okay, they can actually connect the word and also find the appropriateness to use it in their daily life. Other than that, I think teachers should also they should also suggest students to read more books. Because like nothing ever beat like books effectiveness in learning English. Okay, because through books they will be able to be exposed to many types of words, how to use types of sentences, and for me it is more engaging for students because instead of we or teachers providing them just like spoon feed them, they have the authority to their own learning.
But Hayati, how do you think teachers can pick their interest in school in rural areas like in village, because the access to book and learning material is not that much?
I think teachers should provide more printed materials pictures, like larger font of vocabulary, so that the student will be able to
learn.
Because sometimes they don't even know the exact
meaning
word
of the word.
like the action and all. So by giving them like physical material, then they'll be able to catch up with other students in the urban area.
Yes, because the access is not really there. Okay, I think
I would like to ask you, what is the impact of the language art in the English classroom? I mean, like in the English second language classroom.
I think like you just mentioned just now, like printed out material that are very interesting to learn, and having activities that are crucial in order to help students to grow effectively in their English language journey. It can shape a very interactive classroom, and the classroom will be more active, and teachers and students be able to communicate effectively and learn to really have that bond between them, and they're able to effectively always learn English through understanding that I will learn better if you provide me a better material like that.
Okay, I do agree with Adam by the saying of students will be more active, because we know that the 21st century classroom should be student-centered learning, not like teachers providing them everything. So I think that's all from us. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.